Hello everyone, this is Alec from the Patriot Rider store, and today we are going to be talking about resetting your password. As of 5/21/2018, the PGR national site made a transition, and any pre-existing accounts need to have their passwords reset in order to be accessible to access the national site along with forums or to access the PGR national store. In order to do this, you're going to go ahead and go to the national site, www.patriotguard.org. You'll go ahead and enter that into your internet browser's URL bar at the top of the page. And once this loads, you're going to go ahead and click Login/Register. Once you've done that, if you go ahead and try and enter in your password, it will reject it. I've already reset mine, so I don't need to do that, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is still do a password reset so that you're able to see it. And so what you'll do is you'll go ahead and click Forgot Password, click here to reset. This is a link, so you're going to go ahead and click on this. If you're having any issues with remembering your username, you can also go ahead and click Forgot Username. We're going to go ahead and do that and take it one step further. So it's just going to go ahead and ask us to enter in our email address right here. So you'll go ahead and click in whatever the email address is that was tied to your account. The one tied to my account is pgrfastcolor@gmail.com, and we'll go ahead and click Retrieve Username. Once this is done, the system is going to send an email to your email address. That's what it says right here. So now what you'll go ahead and do is access your email. I'm using Gmail, and I'm going to go here. I have an extra tab open with my email already open. And here's the email, username for the Patriot Guard Riders. We're going to go ahead and open up this email. It was just in my inbox, but you might want to check your spam as well to see if maybe it got rerouted somewhere else. So right here, you're able to see your username for the Patriot Guard Riders is username, and then here's our username right here, PGR Alec. And so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm actually going to copy this, and basically what this does is it saves it onto your clipboard so that you can paste it somewhere else so you don't have to type it out. So the way I did that was just hover my mouse over it with the little cursor, highlight it all, click and drag across, right click, and then click copy. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is go back to the national site. We'll click back into Login/Register. And once we've done that, we can go to Forgot Password again, click here to reset. And now here we'll be able to enter in our username. I'm just going to paste mine in, but you could just go ahead and type yours out just the same. And here I'm going to enter in the email that's associated with my account. So pgrfastcolor@gmail.com. Mine automatically prompts for my email, but you might just have to go ahead and type in your email completely. And then you'll go ahead and click Reset Password. Now it should say password successfully reset as long as everything went correctly. An email containing a new password has been sent to the email address on file for your account. So now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and click back up to our email. You would just have to go ahead and use your internet to access your email provider. Like I mentioned, mine is Gmail, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to my inbox, and here we have a new email that says your password reset for the Patriot Guard Riders. We're going to go ahead and open this. You're more than welcome to go ahead and write this down. Make sure that it is case sensitive. You're more than welcome to go ahead and write it down and then enter it in, but I'm going to instead go ahead and copy and paste it. So once again, I'm going to click right at the one and drag across it while holding the left mouse button. Once it's all highlighted, I'll right click it with the right mouse button and then left click with the left mouse button where it says copy. Now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the national site again. And once we've done that, now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the old password that it thinks it has for me. and I'm going to right click in this field and click paste. Otherwise you would just go ahead and type in what the password is. And now I'm going to click login and go ahead and wait for it to log you in. And now what we can go ahead and do is, since those passwords are generally pretty long, if you'd like you can keep it, otherwise you can go to members and then update profile, and then where it says change password here, you can enter in whatever you'd like your new password to be, so you don't have to remember that other password and you can make it whatever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and make mine and then click update password, this little button right here. It says password successfully changed. Google Chrome is asking me if I'd like to update my password. I'm going to go ahead and say yes, so that I don't have to remember it for next time. And now if you look up at the top here, we're still logged in. From here you can access the store. If this is your first time accessing the store since the national site was remodeled, what you'll go ahead and do is click PGR Store. Once that's done, since I have already done this part, it's just bringing me straight to the store, but it might have a screen where it has two bubbles. One of them would be filled in. Above it says PGR value with a filled in bubble, and then over to the right it would say US with an unfilled bubble. You'll go ahead and click that bubble that says US next to it, and then there will be a gray or silver button that says Save Changes. You'll go ahead and then click that, and that should then bring you to the store, and then you'll be able to go ahead and navigate here on the left hand side or click search store. Now if you have any issues along the way, I'm going to go ahead and come back to the store here. What you can go ahead and do is up at the top here where it says contact us, you can go ahead and click that right there and click whatever your issue is, whether it be a registration problem when you're making your account, or a login issue, an account problem, an issue with the store, or anything along those lines. You would then go ahead, enter in your full name. That's important just because your full name is what your account would have been made with, or what your account will be made with, and we'll need all that information to either search the database or to help you get a new account created. And then the email address that either you're registered with or you'd like to register with, and then in the questions and comments box you'll go ahead and enter in whatever your issues are, and then a member from the national team will be able to go ahead and get back to you. So you would go ahead and enter in your full name, email address, comments and questions, and then click submit right here, and then you should be hearing back from a member of national, and they should be able to help you solve any other issues that you may be having. I hope this video helped you, and ride safe. Bye-bye.